Hi everyone. Today we're looking at a tool that every DIY enthusiast and professional should have, the Hakko Micro Cutter. This precision tool is designed for cutting wires, plastics, and small components with ease. Right out of the box, the micro cutter feels solid. The handles are made from ergonomic anti-slip material, which makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. I have a few sets of these. One set is dedicated to 3D printing, another to cutting wires and electronics. Now I've used this tool on a range of materials, starting with small gauge wires. It cut cleanly and precisely without crushing or fraying the edges, which is crucial for electrical work. Next, I tried it on some of my 3D printed models. The angled head and sharp blades allowed me to reach tight spots and make precise cuts without damaging surrounding areas. This micro cutter really shines for hobbyists, especially those working on projects like model building, jewelry making, or 3D printing items. The sharpness of the blades and the angled head make it versatile enough for delicate tasks and tough enough for small hardware. If I had to mention a minor drawback, it's that the cutter is best suited for soft to medium hard materials. Overall, this micro cutter is a reliable, well-designed tool that delivers precision and comfort. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what tools you swear by for DIY projects. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful reviews. See you next time.